Smithy's Corner. It's really great. Hey. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne, Australia. I'm trying something different every time.
Yeah, I noticed.
I'm going to see which one lands.
Yeah.
It's like classic A/B testing, so people can comment and go, "That was the one. That's the Smithy's Corner intro." I thought I'd do it more like a radio tyre ad. You know, that kind of thing.
Maybe Smithy what he wants.
That's ridiculous.
Maybe we should get Smithy to do it.
Ah.
What you singing like Smithy?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
So this, what are we doing? This is Smithy's Corner.
This is Smithy's Corner.
If they're not, one second, just because of all the noise. If people don't know what the hell Smithy's Corner is, what is Smithy's Corner?
Smithy is a silversmith.
Yep.
From Sydney.
Yep.
That provides us with some incredible works of art.
Yeah.
Done in silver.
Yeah.
Various sizes. Some of them will be an ounce. Some of them will be up to, I think in this load, there's some 8-ounce sculptures, works of art. I actually need to get a term for it because I don't know what it is.
Dunno.
Now, we don't release the whole box all in one hit.
Right.
We will highlight 2 of them today.
Okay.
So it'll be a bit of a lucky dip.
Okay.
And then we'll have Smithy's Corner
It's
box.
kind of like pulling a name out of a hat or something.
Yeah,
is it?
something like that.
That's a great idea.
Yeah,
should consider doing that more often.
Instead of doing releases like we did with the
I don't
Finance
know what you're talking about. I was just
Yeah.
making a random comment there.
It's been a hot topic of discussion
It
all
has.
day today.
It has. All right. So I'm gonna zoom back, and you're just going to pick some stuff here.
I am.
Yep. Just pick 2 things. So we do 2 every week. Are you cherry picking, or are you just gonna?
Ooh.
Don't tease us.
There's some real good stuff in here.
Okay.
I can't choose between them.
Just pick the best one you like, and then just pick a
I'll
random.
just pick 2 on top.
Okay.
And we'll leave, whoops, almost dropped them.
Okay.
The rest for next week. So,
On the black velvet it goes.
I might even put a glove on. I'll take them out of the plastic.
Yeah. Okay. We'll have to see if they have accompanying certificates, which I'm sure they probably do.
I actually don't know about that, mate.
Oh, really?
So we'll have a look.
All right. I'm going to hold that there, and then I'm going to just have a little look. See. I can't tell. Is that shaking there? I can't see. You'll have to have a look in a minute. All right. What have we got?
So we've got, it's a bit of a theme here. So we've got a bit of a coffin on the left here.
It is a coffin.
It is a coffin, a 5-ounce coffin.
A 5-ounce Smithy's Bullion coffin-shaped
Silver bar.
bullion silver bar.
For the more morbid side of us.
That's okay. We're all going there eventually.
Not me.
Not you. Never, mate. You're gonna be uploaded to the simulation. Is that right?
Gonna give Methuselah a run for his money. Need to lose a bit of weight to do that.
5 ounces, troy
Look
ounces.
at the swirling in it.
Yeah, the swirling is just cool.
I love how he gets
I
that
love how it's, and I don't want to touch it with the bare hands, but look how the swirling. It's not done on purpose, but how it sort of centers around the cross there.
The crucifix there.
Yeah, that's very cool. Is there anything on the other side? Sorry, was there any? No serial numbers or anything? No, anything on the side?
No,
Nope,
just beautiful.
Beautiful as
What
is.
do you call this? Sandwiching? I love it's almost like a sandwiching
Oh yeah,
of layers of silver.
that's a great question. We'll ask Smithy what he can call. He can coin the term if he wants.
There you go. So that's the 5-ounce coffin.
Lovely. All right.
And then got, coat of arms. A pirate coat of arms.
Ah, nice. We need to get this in there. There we go. There we go. Very cool.
3-dimensional, isn't it?
Yeah, coat of arms. So it's a pirate with a skull with something on there. What's on?
Piston heads.
Oh, they're piston heads. You're right.
Ah.
Yeah, check that out. Sorry, I don't want to mean to be too shaky there, gang. But so a skull with piston heads. That's cool. Look at that on the left and the right.
Car enthusiasts, as well as the skull enthusiasts, as well as the pirate enthusiasts.
Well, you're ticking a bunch of boxes there, aren't you?
That looks sensational. Now I know what it is.
Nice. Other side, please. Aha! 5 troy ounces, so a couple of fivers. Smithy's Bullion. This is still with the original logo, isn't it?
As far as I'm aware, he hasn't he's either only just started or only hasn't quite had delivered the new stamp yet.
The new logo,
Yeah.
for Smithy's Bullion, so that'll be coming soon. And number 17.
Yes, sir.
17 of what we don't know.
No, we don't.
That's all right. Do you want to have a quick rummage? Have a quick rummage just to see in the box there if there's certificates, unless you know 100% there's not.
I'm fairly sure.
And we'll quickly just go back down here. So once again, Smithy's Bullion, the beautiful 5-ounce coffin. Look at this.
No certs in this one.
No certs. Look at the swirling. That is just lovely. Beautiful Smithies. And
Oh, you should see some of the stuff that's coming up next week.
don't tease us. Actually, no, teasing is good. That's good because it gets
They look
people
great.
watching. Good. All right.
Really good. Some great effects in there.
Beautiful. Now, tell everyone what the deal is specifically with, the pricing on
Okay,
Smithies.
so the pricing with Smithy stuff, because it's artwork, effectively, it does incur GST.
Yep.
And also, a lot of these are hand poured, hand created. Even the molds are hand created, all that type of stuff. So you're not going to pay your usual bar prices. You're going to pay something around about that spot plus 40% plus your GST on top of it.
Yep.
So don't expect to pay $5 over spot or anything along those sort of lines.
Of course.
It is going to be a bit more, but it is absolutely worth it, and it adds that interesting flavour to your stack.
Yeah.
So a real talking piece. Always pays to have one or two of these things in your stack. Maybe not when you first start, but once you get a couple of bars under your belt, maybe look at expanding out into this type of thing.
Absolutely. And how can they get them?
So we take phone orders or email orders or over-the-counter sales with these. We don't list them on the website because they're such individual pieces. It would take too long to take photos and create adverts for each and every one.
Yep.
So it's either over-the-counter or phone or email.
Yep.
And
First in, best dressed?
Yeah, first in, best dressed. Where was I going with that? And we're not going to take 1,000,001 photos of it and email it through. So if you want a piece,
That's
review it on the
video.
video. We'll try and show you all sides of it on the video.
Which
and
we did,
then you can phone in, like I said, and say, I really like the 5-ounce coffin or the skull and piston heads, that type of thing.
Cool.
And we'll be able to go from there.
Easy done. Well, these are the next two in Smithy's Corner up for sale right now. If you want either, I would suggest getting in quick. All right, absolutely. So like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. That's another Smithy's Corner. I'm working on it, man. I'm working on it. I'll get it good by the end of the decade. All right. As always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.